Hi, Diana here with your monthly real estate market update. Orange County is still expensive and still competitive. As of late March, active listings in Orange County is clinging to a slim 2,082 homes on the market. That's 25% fewer homes than this time last year. So if it feels like there's nothing out there, well, you're not wrong. Days on market, the average is down to 56 days, which is fast by Orange County standards, and homes over $2 million are selling even quicker. The median list price for single-family homes in Orange County, just a casual $1.99 million, but the actual closed price over the last week, $1.35 million. Lots of price reductions. So yes, sellers, you may need to rein in your HGTV mansion dreams just a tad. Riverside County is a bit slower, but still climbing. The median sale price sits at around $650,000, up 2.8% from last year. That's not record-breaking growth, but it's not nothing either. Days on market are averaging 49 days compared to 41 last year. Buyers are still buying, but they're not racing each other like it's 2021. Sales volume sits at 135 homes sold in February. That's down slightly from 144 in 2024. We are seeing fewer sales and slightly longer market times. For Corona, California, home values are up 3.5% year over year, with the average value at $770,469. Not bad for a town that still feels like a hidden gem. 49 days on market is the average, 81 homes sold in February, up from 90 last year. Now, for the part that's making everyone twitchy, tariffs are back in the news, pushing up the cost of building materials. NAHB estimates they've added $9,200 to the price of a new home. Interest rates are hovering in the 6 to 7% range, which means buyers are calculating mortgage payments with intensity. It's putting pressure on affordability, especially for first-time home buyers. Stock market volatility is turning 401ks into an emotional roller coaster, and consumer confidence is soft. People are hesitant to make big financial moves unless they have to. Now, if you're selling, it's not time to get cute with the price. Buyers are informed, cautious, and tired. If you want results, price strategically and prep your home like a pro and market it properly. This is where having a smart professional agent pays off. If you're buying, yes, rates are higher, but there's less competition and more room to negotiate. And sellers who are a little more flexible than they were during the 100 offer frenzy of 2021, just don't wait around hoping for the perfect time. That moment left the chat in 2018. Southern California real estate in spring 2025 is a strange beast. Low inventory, rising costs, macroeconomic mayhem, but there are still real opportunities out there. You just need to be informed, well-advised, and ideally a little unbothered by the chaos. We are in an adjustment period, not a crisis. So whether you're looking to buy, sell, or just smarter than average scroll through Zillow listings at midnight, now you know where the market stands. If you'd like a deep dive on what this means for your specific property and your specific situation, and what you can actually afford to buy, shoot me a message. I'll bring the data and the caffeine. For more videos like this one, be sure to like and subscribe.